Hey there, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I am going to show you about our GoHighLevel video play button. Okay, so this is actually an updated video. We already have a video for the play button, but this is the updated video because we updated the code snippet, the existing code snippets, as well as our we added two more different play button for the GoHighLevel videos. Okay, so the first one is the Wistia style. Okay, so now you can make your GoHighLevel video, okay, just like Wistia design, okay, Wistia layout. Okay, so here is the player. Okay, so and then another play button which is actually just like ClickFunnels style. Okay, so we updated this, and also we updated the glowing effect play button, okay, which is the Elementor style. Okay, so if you are a WordPress user and you love to use Elementor plugin to build your pages, then you may know about this animation video player. Okay, so here is the animated video player that is looks like the Elementor style, and another one which is the pulsing effect. Okay, so though there are four different video play button, but the implementation of the code snippet is pretty much same. So let me show you how you can do that. Okay, so first of all, just go to your page builder and then add your video. Okay, so in this example I'm going to add another column, and then I'm going to add a video. Okay, so one more thing I want to say that this play button will work with your hosted video on GoHighLevel. Okay, so if you host your video on GoHighLevel, just upload your video into the platform and then add the video, then these play buttons will work. Okay, so we actually try to replace the GoHighLevel default play button. Okay, so let me show you the step-by-step process. Okay, so once you added the video player, then select the hosted video from the panel here, and then select your video. Okay, if you already uploaded the video, then it will be visible here. Otherwise, you need to upload your video here by clicking this blue upload file button. And I already uploaded a video. This is the demo coming soon video. Okay, so here is I added the video, and then I will add a thumbnail. Okay, so for this example I'm going to use this image as my thumbnail. Okay, and then you can also use any image, okay, your GIF file if you have, okay, GIF file for the animation. Okay, so you can do that. Otherwise in standard thumbnail is fine. Okay, so you need to make sure that the autoplay is off. Okay, the autoplay off, and you can keep full screen toggle and the show progress bar on, okay, as per your requirement. Okay, that's it for the customization into the video player. And then all you just need to go back to our GHL code snippet library and grab the code. Okay, and after that open the editor. Okay, you will get the link into the membership area for this site. Okay, so add the code into the editor, and then you need to replace your video ID. Okay, where is it? You need to replace your video ID. So let me get back to the video player. Okay, and then I just need to go to advanced, and then here is the video selected. Okay, so all you just need to click this copy icon, go back to your player. Okay, and then you just need to replace, find the okay, so let me select your video ID here, and then I'll find this. Okay, so just click Control F from your keyboard. Okay, and then here just replace with your video ID and click here to replace everywhere. Okay, so now it replaced everywhere it's needed the CSS ID. Okay, so now if you don't want to make any changes, like let's say we have a red color hover, and also we have a black color play button. Okay, so if you want to change this color, then you can also do that Okay, let me show you here. Yeah, here is, you can see here, this is a black color. Okay, so this is the default play button background color, and also here is the hover color. Okay, so you can change the hover color from here. Okay, so that's the changes you need. Okay, otherwise you don't need anything else. So in this example, I'm going to keep my existing design, the color, and I will go back to the video. Okay, the page builder, and I will add the code option, and then I will paste my code here. Okay, that's it. Okay, so if everything goes well, then I should have a Wistia style video player. Okay, so let me save and preview. Okay, so well, let me double check if I edit everything properly. Well, I found the issues. Okay, so I did not delete this comment. Okay, so you need to delete this comment and add your code into the editor. Okay, just like I did before, and then save and preview. Once you do that, then you should see this type of Wistia style video player. Okay, so one more thing I want to do, let me make it a little bit smaller, say 80%. Okay, and then save. Okay, preview. That's it. So I have now the Wistia style video players, and now if I click the play button, it will play the video. Okay, so that's it for this video, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to write your comment. Okay, and also thank you for watching this. Have a nice day.